Happy Wednesday. It is literally Wednesday, July 1st. How is it July already? Like, oh my gosh. But welcome to Summer Diaries. If you know, you know. Last summer I did Mariah's Summer Diaries seasons 1 and seasons 2. So I thought this year we're bringing it back. So instead of it being just Mariah's Summer Diaries, it's just going to be Summer Diaries. But yeah, it is July 1st, which is insane. I was going to vlog yesterday, but I was like, let's not. We can wait till tomorrow. So here it is, Wednesday, July 1st. The first episode of Summer Diaries. Excuse me. But yeah, it is Summer Diaries episode 1. I don't know what we're doing today, to be honest, but as y'all know, I'll put it in the vlog. Y'all already know. But I did finish an outro for this series. It didn't take like a couple. It didn't take like a few minutes, so got it out of the way. But I just made sure that like everything looked perfect and everything looked as well as it needed to before it goes up on YouTube. So yeah, and I followed the tutorial on TikTok, so really hope that it helps. But yeah, but just once you see the outro, once you see the intro, then you'll realize. But the intro, I made it look cute. I put some pictures and some stuff. So, but when you see that, I keep wanting to say outro. When you say the intro, you'll say, "Oh, this is cute. I love this." But yeah, I currently have a Fashion Nova corner in my room. I'm not gonna show it, but I literally have a little Fashion Nova corner sitting in my room. Y'all, I have done 4 orders on Fashion Nova and they all came. Some of them came last week. One of them came last week. The other one came last Saturday. Yeah, last Saturday. And the other one came, I think, Monday. Yeah, Monday. And the last one came yesterday. So I have 4 bags of Fashion Nova sitting in my room right now as we speak. That there will be a haul coming. I don't know when, but there will be a haul coming. Probably if we're not doing anything this weekend, I'll post a haul on my TikTok or my Instagram. If we are doing something for the 4th of July weekend, I will have to postpone the haul, the Fashion Nova haul. But yeah. But I literally have I literally have like 4 bags of Fashion Nova in my room. Like, I'm not joking. I'm not gonna show it, but yeah. Like, all it is just like hoodies and sweatpants and stuff, and yeah. But like I said, if we are doing something for the 4th of July, I will have to postpone the haul. If we aren't doing something for the 4th of July, then I'll post the haul. But I don't think we're doing anything for the 4th of July anyway, because like it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot this weekend. So I don't know if we're gonna be doing anything this weekend. I don't know, but if we are, you already know I'm gonna put in a vlog. You already know. Y'all good. Y'all watched my vlogs before. Y'all know I put every single thing in the vlog. Y'all know. But yeah, it is crazy if it's July 1st and it's literally like the first episode of Summer Diaries. It is insane. and we got a bunch more to go. I might make this into a full on series. I don't know. Depends. But yeah. So I'm gonna do my Bible study because June I was okay with my Bible study, but like I couldn't like be like consistent with it, you know? So this month definitely gonna get on my Bible study, definitely. So starting today, I'm gonna do some Bible study for this month. Well, for today, but I'm gonna continue it for the month of July, cause why not? But yeah, I will see you guys if I'm doing something or if my parents are doing something. And as always, peace and love. Hello. I know I look a little dark right now, but it is a lot later. It is almost 11 o'clock. I'm about to go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Summer Diaries. And I will see you guys tomorrow for episode 2 of Summer Diaries. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And as always, peace and love. Also, episode 1 will be posted tomorrow. So stay tuned for episode 1. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.